The tech world just got hit with a bombshell. And honestly, this one feels bigger than anything Samsung, Huawei, or anyone else ever threw at Apple. After a wave of leaks from United States component suppliers and engineers whispering out of Santa Clara, Wall Street is already freaking out over what insiders say is Nvidia's first ever smartphone, the NeoPhone. And the wild part? People in Silicon Valley swear this thing isn't just another iPhone competitor, it's a straight-up threat to Apple's entire philosophy. For the first time in almost 2 decades, a device is targeting the heart of what makes the iPhone, its controlled architecture, its closed ecosystem, and the whole idea that the heavy AI lifting should always be done through Apple's cloud. According to specialists who've seen the internal layout, the NeoPhone is built around a mobile version of Nvidia's Rubin or Blackwell X chips. Processors made not for cute animations or light AI tricks, but for full-scale local model generation, training, and processing right on the device. Meaning this could be the first smartphone in history running GPT-level tasks fully offline, something the iPhone simply can't do because of its A-series limitations and Apple's cloud-first strategy. And that's exactly where the panic kicks in. If Nvidia drops a phone that can run powerful AI locally, users won't need Apple Intelligence, iCloud, server-side processing, or any of the ecosystem glue that keeps people locked into Apple's The NeoPhone flips the script. Instead of a pretty device living inside a controlled universe, it becomes an always-on personal intelligence that learns, adapts, generates video and images, analyzes your environment, and handles everything without sending a single packet to a server. Analysts say this isn't a camera war or a display war, it's a ground zero reset of what a smartphone is supposed to be. And worst of all for Apple, insiders claim Nvidia plans to price it near or even below the iPhone, using profits from its GPU empire to hit Apple where it hurts. This time, the threat doesn't come from a company copying the iPhone's design, it comes from a company creating an entirely new class of device. And inside Nvidia, people are already talking expansion mobile workstations, AI-first tablets, hybrid laptops that run everything locally, even mixed reality headsets that don't need cloud support. Apple tried entering these categories but always kept them chained to the iPhone and iCloud. Nvidia wants the opposite. Every device with its own brain, its own intelligence, fully independent. That's Apple's nightmare scenario. Because if the NeoPhone takes off, Nvidia can build an ecosystem where the smartphone isn't the center of your digital life, it's the personal AI core powering everything around you. That instantly turns the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and even Vision Pro into tech from a fading era. Analysts say the world has never seen a situation where the company dominating global AI infrastructure suddenly steps into consumer hardware with this level of force. Nvidia isn't bound by the usual smartphone rules, doesn't rely on decade-old chip lines, and has zero interest in preserving old ecosystems. The NeoPhone isn't built for slow evolution, it's built for a leap. Apple can't match quickly because of its own architecture and corporate mindset. And here's the craziest part. Young users in the United States are actually excited about it. For the first time, the generation raised on the iPhone is looking at a device not because it's pretty or synced with their laptop, but because it gives them something Apple never offered: real computational independence.